Number 3 on my list of supplements for women's health is vitamin C. Just like I mentioned with magnesium, vitamin C is used up in huge quantities by the adrenal glands when we are stressed. And why do we need vitamin C? Well, it's a really crucial part of our immune function to keep it robust and strong. And vitamin C is one of the important nutrients as part of what we call the antioxidant cycle. Every time we create energy in the body, every moment of every day, we are creating free radicals that can damage our cells. And vitamin C comes in, helps to neutralize those free radicals to stop them damaging the cells. It's important as part of our connective tissue, just like collagen powder, and for many, many more functions and processes in the body. So because we use up huge quantities when we're stressed, because it's water soluble and excreted quickly, and because it's lost in the cooking process, I recommend that we think about taking 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C, maybe take 500 milligrams in the morning, 500 milligrams at night time. And I usually recommend you look for a formula with flavonoids like bilberry, because flavonoids are considered to help the absorption of vitamin C into the bloodstream.